Are you looking for a reliable way to convert MSG files into MBOX format? Welcome to WholeClear MSG to MBOX Converter. You can effortlessly export MSG emails, including attachments, into MBOX files that are fully compatible with Thunderbird, Mac Mail, Entourage, Postbox, PocoMail, and other MBOX-supported email clients. Key features of Outlook MSG to MBOX Converter. Export MSG emails with attachments. Batch conversion mode for bulk file export. Preserves email meta properties. Works without the need for Outlook installation. How it works: simple conversion steps. Step 1. Download and launch WholeClear MSG to MBOX Converter. Step 2. Select MSG file format as the source. Step 3. Choose file mode or folder mode and add MSG files. Step 4. Select MBOX file format, .mbox, as the output. Step 5. Pick between a single MBOX file or multiple MBOX files. Step 6. Use the Browse option to choose the destination folder. Step 7. Click Convert Now to start the process. Within a few simple steps, your MSG files will be successfully converted into MBOX format, ready to be imported into Thunderbird, Mac Mail, Postbox, Entourage, and other MBOX-compatible email platforms. For more query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.